Hi, my name is Joe Curcillo. I am the Mind Shark. I took my career and decided that I was going to move into consulting. I wanted to move into a much larger market where I could work for a long time. Well, I didn't know how to do that. I couldn't figure out how to reach corporate CEOs, executive directors, how to get to the people that I believed needed my services. Ed Rigsbee and I crossed paths, and I took his Selling to Associations course. I got to tell you, I am doing this testimonial because I believe that much in what I bought. And not only do I believe, but it has produced. Ed Rigsbee does a course in Las Vegas, sometimes I guess other places, but I went to one in Vegas. And he puts in a suite about 9 people. He keeps it limited to 8 or so, 9 people, because he wants that small, intimate group. And I got to tell you, it's phenomenal because he draws the right people. So we all shared information. We worked together. We helped develop a little bit of our message. We helped to develop how we're going to move forward. And Ed provides to you the information that you need to figure out how to get to the door of the association, the tools you need to pry that door open, the information you need to get in the door, and once you have that door open, how to keep it open so that you continually develop the relationship that makes a future bright. And it's amazing because the friendships that I built in that course are ones that I'm maintaining. They're ones that I still have because we bonded. Ed brought together the right people so that we could bond together, and we felt an energy with each other. We all wanted each other's success, and Ed was there to facilitate that. What Ed gives you in this course is a lifetime of information of how he built a career in associations. I'm telling you right now, it's not even something you should think about. If you want to work, take the course. I left there. I used a small sampling of what Ed taught us. I wanted to see how it worked for me. Within a week, I had bookings that paid back everything that I spent to fly to Vegas, stay in Vegas, take the course, buy the thumb drive with all the association information on it. Bottom line is, it paid for itself in 7 days. Everything after that is gravy. Ed is, frankly, a genius. And he cares about the people he instructs. He cares about your future. And he really is the big deal when it comes to associations. I did this testimonial because I believe that much in what I received from Ed Rigsbee. I wish you the best and hope to see you at an alumni event of his association selling in the future.